Hey, just want to make a quick video on live transfers. Exciting new feature. It's been out for a week or two, but there was quite a few bugs in the beginning. It is fully functioning and working now, and there's a couple tips on how to get it to work correctly. Some people have reported that it's trying to do the live transfer before it gets done reading the entire paragraph that it wants it to. So to give a little context on why that's happening, uh, to set up the live transfer, it's in Actions. When you go to Actions, you go to Create New, Live Transfer, use this action type. Then you say what the name of the transfer is. This can be anything. You give it the number you want it to transfer to. And then this is where you tell it which line in your script. So you're going to go into your script. You're going to copy a line of text that you want to be the trigger phrase, paste it here. And when it says this trigger phrase, it will initiate the transfer. But it's not quite that simple. Sorry about that. Let me show you where the problem lies. Back. Okay, so the problem lies is when you have a fairly long paragraph like this, and let's say you want uh, this last part to be the trigger sentence, and you copy and paste that in your action. But when the AI reads this paragraph, it actually reads the entire paragraph, it sees the trigger phrase, and as soon as it sees it, it starts a 5-second timer to do it. So because it's AI, it doesn't really know for sure that it has to wait until it says this. It's programmed to just do it no matter what after that 5-second timer because it's already read this ahead of time on the back end. You just haven't heard it yet. So what's happening is it'll read 5 seconds in, and then maybe like randomly, where whenever that 5-second ends, it will do the transfer, but it won't read the trigger phrase. And so that's making people frustrated. So the tip, workaround on how to make that work correctly is you just need to break it up. And here's a perfect example of how we've done that. They basically ask, is it okay if we transfer you? And then wait for prospect respond. Please hold for the connection. And then it triggers on this phrase. Since this is a short sentence, the 5-second timer will be no problem. It'll say this whole sentence and then it'll do the transfer flawlessly. So that should help you get your live transfers done very easily. Again, they're making improvements every single week, so some of these things could change, and they are working on some of this stuff to get it better so that there doesn't have to be little weird workarounds like this. But for now, this is how you can make it work consistently every time. Hope that helps.